Good day, everyone. I am Marine A. Dablo, and I am your teacher for today. And our topic is all about subsumption theory of meaningful learning by David Ausubels. We're gonna talk about what does this theory means and what is meaningful learning. But first, let us know who is David Ausubel. So David Ausubel was an American psychologist and educator who developed and founder of the subsumption theory of meaningful learning. So he emphasizes that when we gain new knowledge and connect it with our old knowledge or prior knowledge, is that what we call meaningful learning. And now we're gonna talk about what does the subsumption theory mean. So the subsumption theory explains how learning occurs by integrating new information to the existing knowledge of ours. So it emphasizes meaningful learning. So kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, meaningful learning is kapag tayo po ay nakakuha ng new information at atin ito i-connect sa ating mga prior knowledge. So, yan po yung tinatawag nating meaningful learning. So, yan po yung subsumption theory mismo. So, hindi po siya kagaya ng rote memorization lamang na ito po ay nakafocus talaga sa long-term, mahabang retention ng ating mga information rather than simply recalling facts. And now, there are three key concepts of subsumption theory. But first, let us learn about the meaningful learning. So, Ausubel believed that learning becomes meaningful when new information is related to what the learner already knows. This is opposed to rote memorization. Gagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ng meaningful learning po ay hindi po rely sa rote memorization lamang. It is the connecting our prior knowledge to our new information that we are gaining. So, yan po yung meaningful learning. The second one is the subsumption. So, subsumption is if new knowledge is subsumed or connect. In other words, connect into existing cognitive structure or the prior knowledge. The more organized and developed the learner's prior knowledge is, the easier it is to learn new things. So, ang subsumption po is para siyang connect na word. Connect po natin ating prior knowledge to our new learnings. And if ang ating mga prior knowledge is organized and more fixed siya, mas easier, mas madali po sa atin maka-learn and maka-gain ng new knowledge. And for the third one, for the key concepts of subsumption theory, we have the advanced organizers. So, Ausubel introduced advanced organizers as tools like introductory materials or overviews that helps bridge the gap between what a learner already knows and what they are about to learn. So, in short, advanced organizers ay binigay ni David Ausubel as a bridge, parang connecting line between our prior knowledge and our new learnings. And now, we're gonna move on to the types of subsumption. First, we have the derivative subsumption. This is if new information is more detailed or specific examples of a general concept that a learner already knows. So, derivative subsumption po ang tawag if ang ating magigain, nakukuhang new information is more on detailed compare sa ating prior knowledge na more on general concept po siya. So, yan po yung tawag, derivative subsumption. And now, for the second one, we have the correlative subsumption. So, new information modifies or expands an existing data or concept. So, kung kanina sa derivative subsumption ay meron tayong general knowledge sa ating prior knowledge and gagawin natin specific, makukuha natin yan sa derivative. But in this correlative case, we have new information that makukuha natin and that information will expand our general knowledge. And now, dito naman tayo sa superordinate learning. So, the new concept is broader or more inclusive than existing ones. So, dito po, sa case na to, if we have knowledge, prior knowledge na isang concept, makakuha tayo ng new knowledge na mas greater, mas broader, mas malaki ang kanyang area na nabibigay sa atin compare sa ating existing knowledge. So in this case, so combinatorial is our prior knowledge is connect with our new knowledge that we are na makukuha natin but not directly. Hindi siya masyadong hindi siya malapit talaga na connecting sa ating prior knowledge, but it is also a subsumption because makakonect natin siya sa ating prior knowledge but not directly. Combinatorial learning. And I have here one example about the subsumption theory of meaningful learning. Yan po yung example natin ng subsumption theory of meaningful learning. So, if may alam na tayo tungkol sa mga mammals, then it is easier, mas madali na sa atin ma-learn or maalam kung ano nga ba ang mga whales. Kasi broader yung mammals and specific yung whales, so easier na talaga siya sa atin. Thanks to subsumption theory of meaningful learning. And now, why does we need to know and learn about the subsumption theory of meaningful learning? So, here is some of the importance of it in education. So, first we have it helps teachers design lessons based on students' prior knowledge. Malalaman ng mga teachers natin na kung ano nga ba ang fittest para sa atin, kung meron na ba tayong prior knowledge tungkol dito, and then easier na sa kanila gumawa ng mga lesson plan na fit talaga para sa atin. We also have here that this also encourages deeper understanding rather than memorization. So, hindi na siya all about memorization lang. Kaya if we're gonna learn what does it means, how does it work, so that would be one of the advantage of learning subsumption theory of meaningful learning. So for last, we have the effective use of advanced organizers can improve comprehension. So in conclusion, David Ausubel emphasized that what learners already know is the most important factor in learning. So, mahalaga talaga ang ating more prior knowledge because it will definitely help us to learn more and learn in an easier form. So, subsumption theory promotes meaningful, lasting learning. So, it will help us not only know what does this means for a specific time but long lasting. So, it's useful for both teaching strategies and curriculum development. It is not only important to us, but also for our schools, our DepEd, our CHED, to know what is the strategies fit among its students and learners. So, and that would be all. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!